Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Alondra Thermatique wig from Revlon, and this is in the color Chocolate Cherry HT. Let me talk about the color real quick. Chocolate Cherry HT is almost just like the Rene of Paris chestnut color. So if you like that color, you're gonna like this one. As I get close up, you can see what I mean. Check that out. Looks just like the chestnut. The only real difference is that, you know, the highlights are a little bit further spaced apart. It's not quite as vibrant as the non-heat friendly synthetic chocolate cherry, by the way. They do have a regular synthetic chocolate cherry color, and that one's just a little bit more intense than this. So this is a very interesting wig to me. And I'll tell you what I mean. The cut is very similar to what you find on the Alana XO by Amore, except the curl pattern on the Alana XO is way more wearable right out of the box. This one's really, really loose and will require restyling, I think, to be really wearable. But the front is very similarly constructed. This wig does have a lace front, and it does have a monofilament part right up the center, which I can only think of one other wig that does that in my store, and that's Ashley by Envy. And you know, usually people prefer side parts, so that's just something there. This is here's something that people might not know about these Thermatique wigs, that they're not just heat-friendly synthetics. Oh no, I'll take this off actually and show you. This is actually a blended fiber wig. Polyester, so that's that heat-friendly synthetic, human hair blend. So this is actually a blended fiber wig, similar to the Amore Melange collection or the Envy hairline. So the hair actually feels really nice to the touch, and that human hair will keep this hair from looking like a big clumpy mess at the end of the day. So that's actually a really nice thing to discover, because originally when these wigs were released, there was no mention of the human hair in the blend. It was always just, these are heat friendly, isn't that great? Well, the real great part is that these are blended wigs, and that they're not really charging blended wig prices. This one retails for about 165 bucks. That's obscenely inexpensive for a wig that's got human hair in the blend. So just throwing that out there. The price point is great on this wig. So let me show you the layering up close and personal. Again, it feels really beautiful. The hair feels great. I actually think this feels a little bit better than the Melange hair does. It's very nice. So let me show you the interior of the cap since I've got this off. Here is that lace front. And then here is the top. This is actually double monofilament right here in the center part. And then sometimes cap construction makes me go, huh? And then there's a horseshoe shaped bit of, let's see, is that actually permatease? Inquiring minds want to know. Actually, that's not permatease. Holy moly, that's not permatease at all. There's no permatease on the top of that wig. You can see right in those tracks. So bear that in mind. Go for a rooted color. Stay away from super duper light blondes on this one, because no permatease means you'll be able to see right through the wefting on the top of this cap. But I can't see anything with this dark color. So we're good there. Again, get a rooted blonde if you go blonde on this one. So yeah, we got that. We've got open wefted sides, open wefted back, an extended nape. It adjusts a bit like a bra strap back here. And then it does have open ear tabs, which makes this one an easy one to wear glasses with. Let me show you what that monofilament part looks like up close and personal. It is extremely densely threaded. And it makes it kind of hard to see actually. But you can see it's there when I hold it down. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put Alondra back on for you now, and then we'll talk some specs. This one will definitely need to be recurled to look like the manufacturer photo, because out of the box it really doesn't do that. It does have a little bit of a curl, but it's not like that. So let's show you this lace front. I mean, it's pretty linear, goes straight across. I prefer contours, and it's really thick. Look how thick that is. It's really, really thick. I tend to prefer lace fronts that gradually get thicker as they go towards the monofilament features, but it's still nice to have one. And at this price, I can't really fuss too much about it. It's still fairly well executed there. Let me get my wig cap situated properly. All right, let me show you what Alondra looks like all the way around. So the crown down on Alondra is about 6 inches. The nape down is about 9.5, and the nape is 8. The weight on this is about 4.5 ounces. So all in all, I think this one's actually kind of a bargain if you're willing to deal with some quirky cap features and choose your colors carefully. But I think for the quality of the fiber that you're getting here and how cute the layering is on this cut, it's actually kind of a nice deal. So this is the Alondra by Revlon in the color Chocolate Cherry HT. Again, very, very similar to the Chestnut by their Nave Paris lines. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Hopefully you like what I do here, and you know, check us out on social media. We're on Twitter, Facebook, we're all over the place. So, you know, say hi if you see us out and about, and until next time, have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.